When you really stop and think about it, real estate is a well-known yet reliable investment option in today's world. Regardless of what anyone says, there are tons of different ways to generate passive income in this industry. Obviously, most of us are familiar with the physical real estate and what it's about, but lucky for us, there's a new gold mine that has hit the industry, which is referred to as virtual real estate. The virtual real estate market is on a rapid rise, and you might have questions regarding it. That's why if you follow the steps in this video, we'll be answering all the questions you have on how to invest in virtual real estate in the metaverse. So make sure to hit the subscribe button so you get notified of future videos on Life of a Landlord. Now let's go. What is virtual real estate? Basically, it's like this. Virtual real estate is a digital property present in virtual spaces or metaverses. Understand that these digital properties can take different forms, but the most common include parcels of land, avatars, and even buildings. Contrary to popular belief, it's much more than just digital images they're often said to be. They are programmable spaces in virtual reality platforms where people are able to carry out many different activities. You can do almost anything from socializing, attend meetings, play games, go to virtual concerts, and carry out a host of other activities. Now that you have basic knowledge of virtual real estate, let's answer the question: why you might be interested in virtual real estate. Despite all of the naysayers who frown upon the thought of the metaverse, there are a host of investors who have picked up interest in virtual real estate investments due to the massive potential it holds over the long term. The metaverse is still in its early stages, and these investors hope that over time, their real estate investments will yield high returns. These people believe that virtual real estate will eventually be valuable in the same ways that physical properties are. You will bring in rental income or could end up being valuable resources that appreciate over time. On the other hand, I will admit, it is still uncertain exactly how the metaverse will evolve, and investing in real estate should be considered speculative and risky. If you can't afford to lose your entire investment, virtual real estate is probably not the most suitable option for you. The best long-term investments usually have more stable businesses and lower risk relative to virtual real estate. What are the top platforms for virtual real estate sales? Number 1. Decentraland. Decentraland is a virtual reality platform that allows its users to buy plots of land as non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, through what's called the Mana cryptocurrency, which uses the Ethereum blockchain. In November 2021, Tokens.com, which is a Canadian investment firm, said it paid about $2.5 million for virtual land in Decentraland's Fashion District. Number 2. Sandbox. Also an Ethereum-based metaverse, Sandbox is a platform where users can design, share, and sell digital assets. This platform seeks to change the traditional gaming market by giving users ownership of what they create in the virtual world. In 2021, virtual real estate developer Republic Realms said it paid about $4.3 million for land in Sandbox. That same year, an investor purchased a digital plot next to Snoop Dogg's digital mansion in Sandbox for over $450,000. Number 3. Somnium Space. Another virtual reality world built on the Ethereum blockchain, Somnium Space lets its users purchase virtual land, build homes, and even lets them eat at restaurants too. Basically, users can travel through the virtual world and visit places that were built by other Somnium Space users. The virtual world can be accessed on mobile devices as well as through desktop, PCs, or a VR headset. Number 4. Voxels. Voxels is a metaverse platform built on the Ethereum blockchain, where users are able to purchase land to build on and travel through the virtual world's roads and buildings. According to WeMeta, the average weekly sale price for land in Voxels reached more than $14,000 in early 2022, but has since fallen to less than $700 in August of 2022. So how do you invest in virtual real estate? Listen, investing in the metaverse real estate market is probably not as difficult as you might have thought. It's surprisingly easy to buy and sell digital assets in the metaverse. Most metaverse platforms can be accessed easily with a desktop computer, making it very easy to access and inspect virtual real estate before you make a purchase decision. Follow these steps to get started. Number 1. Open an exchange. First step is to open an exchange to deposit your funds and buy crypto. Exchanges usually provide tutorials and step-by-step guides on how to fund your exchange, so don't back off now, even if you're using this for the first time. Binance, Gemini, Coinbase, and KuCoin are all trusted exchanges. I strongly advise you use an encrypted email specifically for activities you do in crypto land, including setting up your exchange. In most cases, the first coin you choose to purchase is Ethereum or ETH. Depending on the real estate platform you choose to use, you might need to swap your ETH for whichever coin the platform uses. Whichever currency you choose, make sure to note the seed phrase you're assigned when you open your wallet. Think of this as your virtual bank account information. You have to keep it close. Commit it to memory if possible. Number 2, create a digital wallet. Next up, you need to create a wallet for your crypto that will enable you to purchase the virtual real estate of interest. The popular choice is MetaMask for the Chrome browser. However, you can also look into Coinbase Wallet or Fortmatic. You might want to save your wallet's secret keys and passwords in a safe place only accessible to you. Never share them with anyone. There are so many tricks that make you believe you need to share them. Don't fall for it. You can now send your crypto from your exchange to your wallet. Don't forget to do small test transfers first. Most exchanges also have step-by-step instructions on how you can make the crypto transfer from exchange to wallet. Number 3, decide which metaverse platform to choose. Once your digital wallet is successfully set up, you have a few options when it comes to purchasing land. You can choose to buy directly on a metaverse platform such as the Sandbox or Decentraland, or you can decide to go through a third-party platform such as OpenSea. If you're an inexperienced investor, it might be wise to shop around on a third-party platform. OpenSea and nonfungible.com both enable you to shop around for virtual land parcels, eliminating the need to continuously jump from one platform to another. However, I must note that different platforms offer buyers varying price ranges and digital land amenities. It might just be stressful to log in and out of different platforms when checking out land. On a third-party platform, potential buyers can also assess asking prices in their local physical world currency equivalent, which makes it a whole lot easier to understand how much is actually being invested on a property. This is very important since every crypto coin has its own value, independent of others. The advantage of buying land directly within metaverse platforms like Decentraland or Sandbox is that you get a strong sense of the kind of amenities available and who your neighbors are. After gaining experience as a virtual real estate investor, this might be the more favorable route to take. Number 4, access the NFT marketplace. Every property in the marketplace is an NFT. If you want to purchase virtual land, you must head on to the platform's marketplace, analyze prices, and the desirability of the location. You must also consider your plans in managing the land. Do you plan on selling it after it reaches a certain market value? Will you rent it out to popular brands? Do you plan to hold on to it for the long term? These are details you need to analyze before making your purchase. Number 5, link your wallet to the platform's marketplace. No matter what platform you decide to invest in, your next step would be linking your wallet before you continue with your order. Once it's successfully linked, you will receive your purchase as an NFT. Be sure to set aside extra coins in your wallet for unreported transaction fees to ensure a smooth transaction. Should you invest in the metaverse? While the metaverse is an explosive innovation that's presently on the rise, it's still a highly speculative and risky platform, as no one knows what's going to happen in the next few years or even months. Before making an investment, be sure to do proper research and due diligence on what it entails, because this video is for entertainment purposes and not financial advice. If you found this helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so it can be spread to more people. Now, I must say that if you want a deep dive into exactly how to start a digital real estate business completely from scratch, then I have the perfect video that will explain exactly how. So click the video on the screen now, and I'll see you in the next one.